Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see how to right click over a web page. Okay, so using our script we will be right clicking on our web page. Okay, so I have searched Selenium WebDriver Java docs, and when you will search this you will find this link, and then you will open the Java docs. Then you move to the packages and you have to select this org.openqa.selenium package, and then you move to the WebDriver interface, right? So you can see all classes over here. You click over all classes and then you will find, basically the actions class. Okay, so you will see here that we have a method. Basically, let me show you context click. Okay, so this is the method we will be using for clicking over the web page, right clicking over the web page. So it performs a context click at the current mouse location. Okay, at the current mouse location. But if you will provide the element over which you need to click, then it will provide a right click over the given element, right? Given element. So context click clicks wherever the mouse is while running the script, and context click with a web element target clicks over the web element which you have specified. Okay, so let us use the context click method and specify a target element so that it clicks over there, right? In order to double click, we have different methods like double click and double click with the web element target and all. We'll see this later, but currently we need to right click, so let us use context click. I hope you can relate with double click also when you are done with context click, right? So let us move to facebook.com. Okay, Facebook, right? So opening the facebook.com, and suppose I want to right click over password placeholder, right? So what do I need to do? I just first need to invoke the Chrome browser over our script, and then we need to navigate to facebook.com, right? So I am copying the script from URL from here, and then control V, right? Pasted the URL of facebook.com, and then we maximize the window. Then we need to find out the target element. So what's the target element over which we want to click? It's the password placeholder, right? So let me inspect it, and then this is the input tag required for the password placeholder. So let me copy the XPath of this particular password placeholder, and then I'll write driver dot find element and then by dot xpath, and then provide the xpath of that password placeholder, right? Now the return type of find element is a web element, so we will store this particular locator of the password placeholder into a web element kind of object, right? So web element and then element, right? So I'm naming it element. Okay, and now we need to uh, click over this particular web element, right? Password placeholder. So first we need to provide the object of the actions class, right? So action is equals to new actions, right? And then actions class takes driver reference, so we will provide here driver, right? Now we need to import the actions class. So import actions from org.openqa.selenium.interactions. So I have imported it, and now this line is error free, right? So this is the object of actions class, and this object contains all the method of the actions class. So now we will use action dot context click, right? So uh, and inside this context click we need to provide this element. Okay, control C and then provide element, control V, right? And then close this particular line element. Okay, and now we need to write action dot perform, right? Because without calling the perform method our script won't run, right? Because action needs to be performed, right? So, or you can write dot perform over here also, it will be the same, right? So perform, and if you remove this, no error will come. So we have invoked the Chrome browser, navigated to Facebook, maximized the window, then we found the password placeholder and stored it into a element object, and then we created the object of the actions class, and then we right clicked over that particular element, that means the password placeholder. So let me run the script now. I have saved it already, and the Chrome browser will be opened. facebook.com will be opened, and then it will maximize the browser and it right clicked over the password placeholder, as you can see, right? So this is how we context click or right click over a particular web element. And this is how we use the context click method, right? So I hope that this video was clear to you. Basically, these are the three basic lines required to right click over your web page. So I hope this video was clear. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and most importantly, keep revising. Thank you.